Senior and Junior Plow here from Recreational Power Sports. Obviously Senior and Junior. I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial as Senior is doing the plow install. I'll be the guy speaking. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to release the winch. As we release it out, Mike is going to hook it on to the mid part of the plow system here. He's using the second hook here to essentially lift up the back of the arms, as you can see here. It'll essentially start to float as it goes up, and as it goes up, it's floating there. Mike's just gonna grab the whole system and click it in. And as he got it in, now it's in place, and you just go up the rest of the way, and it's as easy as that. To release it, we'll let it back down. And from there, Mike's going to step on the foot pedal and it releases it from the hooks that are underneath the quad. And he's just going to release the hook on the winch system there. He'll pull it back in. And it's as easy as that for storing. Come on down, talk to Mike. He's way smarter at this stuff than me, and he'll take care of you. Recreational Power Sports.